Let's see what the market has in store for us this week. We finished pretty strong last week, and if you guys missed the opportunity to get into the premium channel for free, well, we have to wait again for the next probable giveaways that we'll have. Moving forward for this week, you can check out our website. We do have the bootcamp on promo. You can get it for a ridiculous amount. Let's see how that works out. Okay, starting with UJ. I did see a pretty good opportunity with the UJ, and it's presenting us with something decent to work with on the higher time frames. And if you do scroll back up into the daily and the 4 hour, you'll see we've got a decent setup ready. Let's just see if it does play out our way, and we'll take it from there. Now, note that in order for you to also take advantage with our trades, of course, always make sure you don't risk anything more than 0.2%. It was initially 0.5, but because we post a lot of pairs, you can take all the pairs, just reduce the risk, and also just check how correlated they are, and don't take them at the same time. Watch what the other pairs are doing first, the open trades, and then take it from there. And also we use the Wushu trade management toolbox, so it manages all the trades for us. If you don't have it, just manage your setups well. Take partials, always move stop to break even, reduce as much risk as possible. Do not use limit orders. We don't use limit orders with these setups. Avoid that by all means necessary, because you will avoid getting wicked out. Okay, USD Swiss franc. It was a bit complicated for us, but it did present us with something decent that we can work with. It was just a bit way too busy, and we didn't like that. So this is what we came up to. The 15 pip stop loss. It's okay, not that great, but it's okay in the state. You can go 50 way above the stop loss range and get a setup along these lanes. You can do that, or you can just leave it as is to give your pair a bit of room to breathe. So just watch that, and it'll look like this. Perfect. We have 2 more pairs for you guys, and then everything else is in the premium signals. Let's take a look at our flagship service, the Dojo Bootcamp. Now, this is a straight to the point practical teaching program that focuses only on what works, which constantly evolves and adapts to the nature of the global financial markets. Now, first of all, we firmly believe a trade should end one of 4 ways: small loss, break even, small win, or a big win. Let me repeat that: small loss, break even, small win, big win. And that's the reason we built this program and constantly update it. Now, in the bootcamp, we jump right into the way we trade and take advantage of the massive opportunities in the market. Our primary role is to get you to a point where you see the market from a completely different perspective and actually trade using these unique concepts as quickly and efficiently as possible. We show you a process-driven approach that will ensure you spend less time on the charts and more time being profitable. Let's take a look at what the bootcamp entails. We have normal housekeeping, where you see how we approach our trade ideas on a daily basis. We've got the general chat, where the students can share their thoughts and ideas. We've got the YouTube video analysis, where we share how we find our trade setups, which we post on our advanced Forex signals. We then have a breakdown of our trade management tool, which is a fantastic toolkit for the pro trader. We then have our bootcamp, which is where we've got our original one we started, which is very important and effective and the basis of all our trading. And as we keep adapting and finding new ways to improve, we add to the bootcamp. And you must understand that this is a continuous learning journey, and you must never underestimate that. And lastly, we've got the prop firm massacre, and this is where we'll be showcasing all the prop firms we pass and get on the books. Now, all our bootcamp students are welcome to join this journey and take advantage. Now visit our website and get on board. So yeah, let me jump over to the other pairs that you guys love. With DJI, it's been going up. It's been going. We hit 14R on now. Potentially go even further up. And now it's already at the 46579 zone that we were looking at previously. This was also a win trade. I just don't know why I never marked it, but we are here now. So if you are holding this position, keep holding, keep allowing it to do what it does. Never cut out until it's absolutely necessary, and it's only necessary when you trail. So when you do get out over the 5R point, you have to allow the whoosher to take preference. You need to allow the whoosher to do its thing, so it'll partially move your stops for you. US 100, we are in a very interesting area. I was actually counting on this one though, but we can also look at this zone over here and actually focus on this specific candle over there, because I doubt we can use this one. It's already been terrorized. Go back now into that zone so we can refine it further to those areas over there, and we can look at a sell. And like I said, the reason why we use the whoosh is because of setups like this. As you can see, we are counter trending now, so in order for you to take advantage, you need to allow momentum. So even if it does go to the top side, you'd allow price to tank in from the top and trigger your setup from there, not while it's still going up, because you could get wicked out and you will not enjoy that. So that's how we're approaching the US 100. And let's take a look at gold. I know you guys love gold and Euro USD. Okay, gold on the hourly. I wouldn't say we see anything happening. And these candles are just a bit dramatic for my liking. But this is a potential area you can look at. We'll be also running a bit of a challenge. We'll call it the prop firm series. So if you are in one of our groups, you will find it, where we will be taking specific trades for challenges. And as I was chatting with one of the traders, I mentioned that, last week we had a 42% win rate, but we finished above 30%, which is pretty good. But also we took partials too soon, so we are looking at getting another version of the whooshu, where it starts taking partials from 5R and taking it from there. If you take a look at our history, and if you have been trading with us, you would have noticed how all the trades that we actually do win, they do go above 6R. Yesterday we had a 12 and a 15 currently running. We had a 5 as well. So we are looking at not taking partials at 3R, but moving stop and only start taking partials at 5R. So we'll see how that works out and take it from there. And that's it for today's free session. Let me just mark that. Euro USD, I'm still very bearish, like I keep saying. We'll just see how it plays out moving forward. Okay. Happy trading, guys.